So good evening. So we try to continue the matter about meditation as we started last time.
Skušali bomo nadaljevati z temo meditacije, ki smo jo začeli zadnjič.
As it is definitely a very important matter and a key method for our minds, it deserves to be told more about.
Ker gre definitivno za zelo pomembno temo in za eno od ključnih metod za naš si zasluži, da se o njej spregovorimo več.
Last time, briefly, we went through the methods of meditating on breathing and the importance of meditation.
Zadnjič smo nakratko pogledali meditacijo z dihanjem in pomembnost meditacije.
There are, of course, many other different methods of meditation.
Seveda pa obstaja mnogo različnih drugačnih metod meditacije.
As it's one word, but it covers many different applications.
Ker je meditacija ena beseda, ki pokriva mnoge različne uporabe.
We have the meditations meant for pacifying the mind, pacifying the body, to reach a certain state of peace within our mind.
Imamo meditacije za umirjanje uma, meditacije za umirjanje telesa, zato da dosežemo določeno stanje miru v svojem umu.
There are also other forms of meditations which are more creation focused.
Obstajajo pa tudi druge oblike meditacije, ki so bolj usmerjene v oblikovanje, v ustvarjanje.
On the basis that our mind has a very important capability, which is to create.
Na podlagi tega, da ima naš izjemno pomembno sposobnost tega, da lahko ustvarja.
When we think about karma, about the law of cause and effect, we understand that all our life is under the direction of what is created in our mind.
Ko razmišljamo o karmi, o zakonu vzroka in posledice, razumemo, da je vse naše življenje podrejeno temu, kar naš ustvarja.
We are mentioning that karma is created by body, speech and mind, but the first is the mind, which produces the thoughts which eventually will be followed by speech or action.
Govorimo o tem, da se karma ustvarja z dejanjem telesa, govora in uma, vendar je prvi, ki ustvarja misli, katerim potem sledi naš govor in naše telo.
So thinking is already an action.
Torej razmišljanje je že dejanje.
And on the basis of this action, karma is created, which will be reflected in the close or near future by a reaction in our environment.
In že na podlagi tega dejanja se ustvari karma, ki se bo v bližnji prihodnosti odsevala v naši okolici.
So whatever we are producing with our minds is creation, is action and creation.
Torej vse, kar ustvarjamo s svojim umom, je ustvarjanje, je kreacija, je dejanje in kreacija.
Therefore, we have to be very careful with what we are thinking, with what we are creating with our thoughts.
Zato moramo biti zelo previdni pri tem, kaj mislimo, kaj ustvarjamo s svojimi mislimi.
Of course, we have to be careful to do not generate any negativity with that mind. And it means also we can create positive things.
Seveda moramo biti zelo previdni, da s tem svojim umom ne ustvarjamo negativnosti in seveda lahko ustvarjamo tudi pozitivne stvari.
And this is on the side of the positive creation that meditation on visualization is based.
In na področju pozitivnega ustvarjanja je meditacija, ki dela z vizualizacijo, ustvarjanjem.
A visualization is actually a structured creation with a positive aim.
Vizualizacija je dejansko strukturirano ustvarjanje s pozitivnim ciljem.
At least positive when it is within the framework of our practices.
Seveda pozitivno vsaj, kadar to nastaja v okviru naše prakse.
So this is a method which is very much emphasized within the Vajrayana part of the Mahayana tradition in Buddhism.
To je metoda, ki je zelo poudarjena v delu Vajrayana, delu poti mahajanske tradicije.
It differs slightly from other traditions which are often trying to appease all kind of emotions.
Nekoliko se razlikuje od vseh ostalih tradicij, ki pogosto poskušajo umiriti vse vrste emocij.
Taming them up to the point of annihilating them.
Da bi jih umirili tako močno vse do točke, ko jih v bistvu izničijo.
Which is of course a perfect method which has been taught by the Buddha and which can bring one's mind to a non-dual state such as nirvana.
Ki je seveda odlična, popolna metoda, ki jo je učil Buda in ki lahko pripelje do nedualnega stanja, do nirvane.
But as you know, as you remember, the goal of the Mahayana tradition is not just this non-dual state of mind or nirvana, but goes much further.
Toda kot veste in se spominjate, cilj poti Mahajane ni samo ta nirvana, ampak ga je veliko dlje.
To go far beyond this non-dual state in the sense that we do not simply remain in non-dual type of meditation, but we generate or have the motivation to come back again and again to help other sentient beings.
Iti onkraj tega nedualnega stanja pomeni to, da v bistvu ustvarjamo motivacijo, da bi se vrnili, vedno znova vračali in pomagali neštevilnemu številu biti.
So to go up to the complete enlightenment, one has to complete what we call two accumulations, accumulation of wisdom and accumulation of merits.
Zato, da lahko pridemo do razsvetljenja, do popolnega razsvetljenja, moramo izvršiti oziroma dopolniti dva zbira, zbir modrosti in zbir zaslug.
Accumulation of merit is mostly promoted by the development of bodhicitta and the application of bodhicitta in our way to help all sentient beings.
Zbir zaslug v glavnem dosežemo z razvijanjem in udejanjenjem bodhicitte s pomočjo čutečim bitjem.
Accumulation of wisdom is performed by deepening and multiplying our meditation on the non-self-inherent existence of phenomena.
Zbir modrosti pa ustvarimo z poglabljanjem meditacije o odsotnosti sebi lastnega obstoja vseh pojavov.
A proper meditation involving visualization can actually help us to accumulate both merits and wisdom.
Pravilna meditacija s pravilno vizualizacijo nam dejansko lahko pomaga, da zbiramo oboje, tako zasluge kot tudi modrost.
Because a proper visualization can bring our mind to some level of experiences.
Ker pravilna vizualizacija lahko naš pripelje do neke stopnje izkustva.
And at the same time, some visualization reaffirm our bodhicitta motivation, therefore making us to accumulate some merits.
hkrati pa nekatere vizualizacije lahko ponovno utrdijo našo motivacijo bodičite in s tem zbijamo zasluge.
Meditation involving visualization are very much working with what we could define as archetypes.
Meditacije, ki vključujejo vizualizacijo, delajo v veliki meri delajo s tistim, čemu bi lahko rekli arhetipi.
Archetypes are embodiments of various qualities, such as a Buddha can be the embodiment of compassion, another Buddha the embodiment of wisdom, and so on.